When you're wanting to link the landing page on Schoology, if you've not already, you need to go to your groups and then go to your grade specific group. So for example, if I wanted my 5th grade landing page, I go to my 5th grade group, I go to resources, and then I'd go to reading, and then your landing pages should all be in there. Once you do that, you go over to the settings gear and click add to course and add it to your reading course and click add. I've already added it, so I'm not going to click that. Then I go back to my reading course. I go to where I just put the landing page in, and I go to week 2. So week 2 has my landing page, but there's nothing linked. Down here are all where your links are. So some people were asking what things stand for. So if you see PWS in 3rd through 5th grade, that is the word study. RML is the reading mini lesson. Response to reading is 3rd through 5th grade. And so it should be in order. And if it's not, you can double check with your slides and make sure that your number or your letters and numbers up here. So PWS WMV5. I know that's my first word study on my slides, so I'm putting that there. So to link these, click on the link, and then you're going to move up here where it says Muncie.Schoology and then has a bunch of other things, and you're going to copy it. Then you're going to go back to your reading course where your landing page was. Then you're going to go to your settings gear in your landing page and click edit. For some reason, sometimes it doesn't show up. If it doesn't show up right away, just click the page and it will pop up. You're then going to highlight the word study, which mine should be on Monday. I don't know why it's on Tuesday. And then you're going to click the link button up here. Then you're going to paste that URL that you just copied and click insert. Once you do that, you can go down to the save changes and save your changes. And now it's linked for your students. Now, if you don't want this all down here to show on your students' pages, all you have to do is go over to your settings gear and click unpublish. And then your students won't have access to these, but I think they should still have access to this. And I can double check. Oh. So you'll have to do that for all of these. So now my RML, I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to go back to the landing page. I'm going to edit. And if you're like, you know, I know I have an RML on Monday, but it's not in there, it's blank, just add it. And if you're not completely sure, just come ask me and then I'll double check. And then save changes. And that's all you have to do. So it looks like you can't unpublish these or the students aren't able to see them. So these will all have to be down there. If it really isn't going to drive you crazy with it having down there, you can just simply just add a folder and just like name it links or something. And then you should be able to like add all these links in that folder. And so just tell students not to touch that folder. And if you want to do that and not sure how, just please let me know. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.